everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi reality TV show, and namhlanje sikhuluma ngothando nesithembu. Yabona la inkundla zokuxhumana kuyaphithizela abantu, they can't wait for Friday, I think it's the 5th of December, la sizobona khona ke uthando nesithembu lubuya ke kumabona kude wethu. Bathi ke there are few episode bazosikhombisa wona veza ukuthi ke kusale kwenzikalani eMzumbe after ke the last season. Njengoba nazi guys ukuthi ke kwakuphithene ke kakhulu umsele kwekade gula oManto bexabana bodwa lana omayeni besoshabeni uMakhumalo we guys ever since that season akaphithizeli kakhulu la inkundla zokuxhumana. She don't post kangako baba uMseleku, akaposti kangako umamkhulu, because she used to post uMacele nje, she was posting a lot ngefamily yakho namse, but nje ay manje but ke siyabona la kuma kulezi desizwe ezokwenzeka ukuthi ke baba uMseleku uyaxolisa kuyena ukuthi ke wathatha umuntu ke wasendaweni but ke guys, we are just waiting to see ukuthi ke kwenzekeni. Uma yeni ubuyile eMzumbe, wabuyile ekhaya, uNombela udivorceile nje waphela wekade uya divorce. But nje guys sometimes I do believe ukuthi ezinye zezinto siweze scripted, because I saw umayeni emzini wakhe ehleni baba uMseleku bebe happy family nje yabo. But ke guys sizobona ke from Friday ukubona kuyaphambili ukuthi ke kuzokwenzekalani kulowa mndeni, uba nozwana nobani, uba nosephumile, uba nodivorceile, uba nosebuyile kuphi, uba nozwana nobani, bamukela inumber 5 noma bamemukeli, yabona nje all that guys we are about to see. But what we can say ukuthi cha uMacele Shem yena uyamthanda badla number 5 futhi nje umemukele kakhulu. Siyambona nala kwinkundla zokuxhumana ehleze ke nengane. But nje guys, we are just waiting for Friday to see ukuthi ke how the story sakhona ke eMzumbe unfold. That brings us to the end of this video. Do comment below and share ukuthi ke what do you want to see happening kule story ke, no access story kule reality TV show yakwaMseleku. Bye.